Okay, why don't we go over here? Toby and Thomas. Noah, Grandma got you a present too. Okay. Look, Noah. For you. From good Grandma.
Yeah.
Okay. And you got some other presents.
I got this compass.
Yeah, show me. Here, turn it around so I can see it.
Look
Here,
it.
set it up there.
Look.
My birthday.
Look, Leela and Gracie got you a t-shirt.
Yeah.
Who's that?
Mickey Mouse.
What a handsome shirt. Look, Noah. Did you get one too? Did you get one too? Yay! Oh, you just want me to open your toy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We did a happy birthday.
You should see it on this side. Look at your new phone. Okay. And we got some more. Asher, happy birthday! And one for Noah, Percy.
Yay, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Asher.